Hi everyone, I'm Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today, I would like to speak about how to crack your upcoming LLB examinations, whether it could be 3 years LLB or 5 years LLB. Many of the students have been confused about how to crack for the upcoming LLB examinations, how to prepare for the upcoming LLB examinations, what are the methodologies to be used to score or pass LLB examinations. My dear friends, everyone knows that from Karnataka State Law University, it's not easy to pass or easy to score, especially LLB examinations, what we call 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. So very tough valuations will be done by Karnataka State Law University, whereas compared to other university, very less chance to score or pass your LLB examinations. During this precious time, what you call, you have only not even 14 days, you have very limited period to prepare for your upcoming LLB examinations. So in this scenario, what we have to do, because everyone has got a tension how to crack for the upcoming LLB examination. Today, I am going to give very informative tips where you can able to crack for your upcoming LLB examinations. Very easy tips I am going to give. So first of all, during this period, you have to be very cautious about your health. Health is very important. If you fallen in illness, that is very difficult. So your health is very important and priority in this scenario. So you have to take care of your health. What you would like to have, that is you have to prefer what to have, what not to have during this period. That is very important. And sufficient sleep is very important. If you don't get sleep proper, minimum of 7 to 8 hours, you will be in trouble. So many of the students, what they do, continuously they take book and they used to study continuously. Please don't do it. And if you do like that, definitely you will lose your credibility, what you call. So what you have to do is, you have to take any subject, you have to be study minimum of 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, please don't study, give a little gap around half an hour, 40 minutes, like that. So 40 minutes, whatever you have studied, you have to memorize, or you have to recall the points what you have studied and what exact question was, and what in the question, what was the answer, and what was the key points, what was the case laws, and what was the section it belongs to, what was an article belongs to. Like that, you have to memorize it. That is, memorization is very important. Recall your answers what you have studied. That is very important. Give a break 40 minutes, then after again you give break half an hour to 40 minutes, you roam in around, or you please be sit, or you take sleep, whatever you do, but 40 minutes. And after 40 minutes you take a break of half an hour, again you sit for 40 minutes to study about the subject, then again you take a break. Like that, if you spit like this every day, so during your examination time, that is very useful to memorize and recall your answers, and you can able to keep in your memory, what you call, in your mind. That is very useful tactics, what you call technique. You can use it at while cracking your upcoming LLB examination. That is very important. Then after, what you have to do is, you have a friend circle. So while speaking mobile, or if you are at hostel, or if you are at nearby your houses, so that is also okay. But you have to, whatever you have studied, and especially to remember your case laws, remember your sections, subsections or articles, you have to discuss with your friends. So just what you have to do is take write all sections relevant. If you take evidence, so you take a in from evidence section 1 to section what section till up to the 154 or 155 156, how many sections are there, you have to write it in a paper. Like you have to write accomplice, what is the section. There are many. Oral evidence, what is the section. Written evidence, what is the section. So like that, if you write what the rescast, what is the section. So you have to make like that, and you have to recall and memorize. In LLB subjects, sections are very important. While seeing sections itself, you will get full marks, my dear friends. So inside you will write, that is different. But while seeing evaluator, they will see section, what is the section that question belongs to. If you written correct answer section, you will get half of the marks of what you call. So the mindset of your evaluators like that. First impression is best impression. So while writing introduction, you have to specify your section or subsection, what exactly belongs to that particular question. That is very important. And you have to write, if you write synopsis, that is very good. In synopsis, what will comes? Introduction, meaning, definition, scope, and relevant key points, and relevant case laws, relevant illustrations, and conclusion. After that, you have to specify for each, describe each key points of introduction, meaning, definitions, and relevant key points, relevant sections and subsections, and relevant illustrations, relevant conclusion. If you write like this for 10 marks question or 6 marks question or 16 marks question, whatever, you have to be specified. You have to write in a specific manner. Since legal subjects are systematic subjects, so you have to write systematically. The KSLU also will expect the systematic answer from the students, so that is required. And while preparing itself, you have to make, you have a notes, like this is one intellectual property rights. Okay, you have a notes, bundle of notes. So what you have to do is, you have to make key points of each question. So what exact the question is, and in the particular exact question, what section will come, what definition will come, what relevant key points will come, and what relevant case laws will come, what relevant illustrations will come. Like that, you have to make a key answers. Okay, I can show one like this. This is when I was studying the examinations, I have prepared like this. So this is what you call, you cannot able to see because it's showing ulta. Anyway, let it be. But what you have to do is, here like this, you have to make each question answer. The answers here mentioned is what you call, the answer is very simply I have written, and what are the key points I have written. Key points, while seeing key points, if you memorize key points, inside you can write, because 2 to 3 times if you study about the key points, what inside it is in the key points, definitely you can able to memorize. Key points are very important while elaborating your answers. Key points, you write like this. If you write one subject 10 pages, if you make 10 pages like this, so last minute preparation, what you can see, you can able to see aram se, and you can able to memorize the key points and memorize your sections, subsections. Easily you can write, and while writing your examinations also, you will get instantly, you will get an answers while writing your examinations. So in this video, I need to specify about your Health is very important. Sufficient sleep is very important. Many of the students, what they do study all night. Please don't do like that. And many of the students, they get up by 3 o'clock, 3:30, 4 o'clock. That also not required. Sufficient sleep, 8 hours you have to sleep. Yes, 7 to 8 hours you sleep. You can sleep 7 hours, no problem. But 7 to 8 hours sleep is required. And you should, if you feel that if you would like to sleep. That is no wrong with in it. What you call half an hour, take a break. While take a break, you can sleep half an hour or 1 hour. Mind should be get fresh. After sleeping, you will have a fresh mind and you can able to concentrate on your studies. So please don't take too much tension in the examination time. Specifically, I am talking about. Please don't take too much tension, my dear friends. If you take too much tension, whatever you studied, you never recall it. You will forget it. So peaceful mind is very important. And one more thing, your health is very important, and sufficient sleep is important. And you make key points like this. If you study the key points properly, definitely you can able to write an answers inside in a paka manner. So 2 to 3 times you have to elaborate. You have to go through your notes. Then after you make key points, and key points while going and coming and going, and you discuss with your friends, especially sections, articles, subsections. If you discuss with your friends, that is very useful while recalling your answers. So I hope this video have been clarified how to crack your LLB examinations. And many of the times I have already told, while writing your LLB examinations, especially in the examination hall, what are all the precautions you have to be taken care. So before getting to the college, please pass your urine, fresh up yourself, and please be before 15 minutes at your examination hall. And after that, please be sit calmly, and please don't discuss with here and there, and don't make tensions. So when invigilators will issue the question papers, you have to cautiously study about your questions. First of all, you have to understand the questions properly, and after understanding your questions, please be start with your answers. What I've suggested, like synopsis, introduction, meaning, definition, relevant case laws, and relevant points, elaborate of relevant points, and conclusion. So if you write in a particular and systematic manner, definitely you won't get fail, and you will get very good marks in the LLB examination. And while writing your LLB examinations, especially 80 by 20 pattern, 10 marks question and 6 marks question. You have to manage your time within 3 hours of time. How to manage your time? 10 marks question, please be take only 22 minutes, and for 6 marks question, please be take 10 minutes. Don't more than that. So if you write like this, you will have a lastly will left the time of around 10 minutes to 5 minutes to 10 minutes. For 5 to 10 minutes, you have to re-verify your answers, what you have written it, and whether the sections correct or not. Please re-verify it, and please make it underline of each key points, what you call introduction, conclusion, relevant case laws, and relevant points. You have to be underlined it. Whether it could be, if you have written in the black pen, you use black pen, and if you have written in the blue pen, you use blue pen to make underline. So if you follow like this, definitely, obviously, LLB you can very easily crack for your upcoming LLB examinations, specifically under Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. I hope this video have been clarified how to crack your LLB examinations, specifically comes under Karnataka State Law University, whether it could be 3 years LLB or 5 years LLB. Please do subscribe my channel in Kumarkite so that you will be notified very good videos pertaining to your 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB, specifically comes under Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. Thank you.